Yeah, so here's what we're going to be drawing and creating. It does need these two little flaps on the side so it'll stand upright. So if we have it's called chipboard. So I'm going to have it long. You probably won't need the whole thing. So yes, if you don't have chipboard, which is a very thin cardboard material, paper will work okay too. So what I'm first going to do, I'm going to leave some room at the bottom. So I'm going to draw it along the bottom. So I'll pull it up a bit. So I'm going to leave some room. Make sure you have room for the house and then room on the side. So I'm going to draw the house right here. Again, I need some room. So all I need to do is start at the bottom, simple house shape, vertical line, vertical line. You can make it wider than mine. And then a triangle roof, up and down. And then we need to draw a line to the side for this is how it's going to stand up. So after you make your simple house shape, make sure you have room off to the side. So like a thick rectangle, it's like a fence. Think of a fence. And then I do the same thing on the other side. So I pretend it goes through, start on the other side, all the way over and down. So all I did was two long rectangles on the side and the house shape in the middle. Let's design our house and then we'll cut it out after. So if you want the door to end up being able to swing open, so see how this door, I can open it? I'm going to draw a line up and over. Not unless you want it off completely, then you cut it all the way off. But if you want it to swing open, we're going to just draw a line up and over for the door. And then now is just our time to decorate and design our house. So you're all architects today. Architects are people who design, create, and build houses, buildings, structures, bridges. So that's what we're going to be today. So you get to design and plan your house. It doesn't have to be a gingerbread house. It can if you want it to be. It can be based off your own house. If you don't put the sides on, that's okay. Yours would just be like this, and you can always just lean it up. And you can always use the extra chipboard to create other things. Maybe you want to make a gingerbread person and have them living in the house. You know, you have all this extra room because we will be cutting it out in a bit. All right, so I'm going to color mine, and crayons or markers will look great. And they do color pretty nicely on the chipboard. So even though I'm not done right now, I'm going to cut it out just to show you where you should be cutting. Make sure you're following all of your outside lines. Don't cut in between anything. you fold back right here so it'll stand up. And then you can cut up and over for the door. And then you can just open the door out and in. Okay, so then I can actually bend this and give it a little bend again so it stays. And you could, if it reached, you could always tape these together and then it will really stand up.